Shake that. Shake that.
That's down. I'll fuck City more, mate. Going. That's down. I'll fuck City more, mate.
There it is. Thank you, guys. What are you doing? Oh, watch out!
The fuck?
Oh shit! 2 for 2.
That's the third time.
So I'm gonna do a quick calc here. Let's see.
Oh,
What?
with numbers?
Fucking hell, you're... God. You're fucking brutal today. Fucking hell. 24 pound. God. Fucking hell. Oh my god. Dragon, you fucking noob. I'm sorry, dude, that was fucking awesome. Oh shit, I needed that laugh, man. Thank you, thank you so much, Kraken.
You're welcome.
This here is a...
You usually see the burnouts come within the first 6 months, and you'll notice. You'll notice. Boot that shit down, honey. Boot him down. Get him, babe. Get him. That's right. Show the bank kick. Hang on. Let's play bank kick. Hang on. Okay, we won't play bank kick with this guy. Maybe the next one.
That's down. I'll fuck City more, mate. Fucking scream. Going.
A man walks into a bar and orders 5 whiskeys and downs them incredibly quickly. The barman says that was quick. You'd drink them quickly if you had what I had. Replies the man. Oh, what's that? Said the barman sympathetically. The man answers no money.
Shit, these fuckers again.
Oh, shit. Oh my God. Fucking clip that shit. Someone clip it. That was fucking awesome. Did you hear Bold laughing his ass off?